Having a hard time understanding why you have ran out of money? Does it feel like your money is being stolen without your knowledge? Do you become a rich person only a few days after your paycheck comes? Budgeting is the cornerstone of financial stability and success. It's about managing your income and expenses effectively to ensure you're making the most of your money. Here are some of the essential steps of creating and sticking to a budget, whether you're saving for a big purchase, paying off debt, or planning for the future. Understanding your income. The first step in creating a budget is understanding your income. This includes any money you earn from your job, freelance work, investments, or other sources. Take a close look at your pay stubs, invoices, and any other documentation to get an accurate picture of your monthly income. Remember to consider any irregular or variable income sources, such as bonuses or side gigs, and average them out over time for a more realistic view. Tracking your expenses. Once you've determined your income, it's time to track your expenses. This involves categorizing your spending into fixed expenses, like rent or mortgage payments, and variable expenses, like groceries and entertainment. Keep a record of every expense, whether it's a recurring bill or a one-time purchase. This will give you a clear understanding of where your money is going each month. There are many tools and apps available to help you track your expenses, from spreadsheets to dedicated budgeting software. Find the method that works best for you and stick with it. Creating your budget. With your income and expenses laid out, it's time to create your budget. Start by subtracting your total expenses from your total income to determine your discretionary income. Allocate this discretionary income to various categories, such as savings, debt repayment, and discretionary spending, based on your financial goals and priorities. Be realistic with your budgeting and leave some room for unexpected expenses or emergencies. It's better to overestimate your expenses and have extra money left over than to come up short. Sticking to your budget. Sticking to your budget requires discipline and consistency. Make a habit of reviewing your budget regularly to track your progress and make any necessary adjustments. Look for areas where you can cut back on spending or find ways to increase your income to meet your financial goals faster. Remember that budgeting is a tool to help you achieve your financial dreams, whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or traveling the world. Stay focused on your goals and use your budget as a roadmap to success. Budgeting is essential for anyone looking to take control of their finances and build a secure future. By understanding your income, tracking your expenses, creating a budget, and sticking to it, you can achieve your financial goals and live the life you've always dreamed of. Follow for more of these great tips.